The question we are solving now belongs to test series 7. It is of digital electronic subject. In specific, it belongs to counters. As per the question, there is a ripple counter circuit using the D flip-flops as shown in the figure. For the first flip-flop, the output Q0 bar is fed to the input D0 and the output Q1 bar is fed to the input D1 and the output Q2 bar is fed to the input D2. Output Q0 is given as the clock to flip-flop 1. The output Q1 is given as the clock to flip-flop 3. And it is also given that these clock signals are given as inputs to a feedback logic, and this feedback logic is given the output of this feedback logic is given as an input to the reset signal of the three flip-flops. It is given that the flip-flops, all the three flip-flops are cleared by a 0 input at the R input. Now we need to find out the correct feedback logic. So from the given data we see that the given circuit is a mod 6 counter, and here we have to note that the output of the feedback logic is given as a reset input to all the flip-flops. From this we can say that n is equal to 6 and hence this can be measured as 110. So once the flip-flops reach or once the outputs of the flip-flop reach 110 state, we can say that the reset signal should be applied to all the three flip-flops. Hence, the feedback logic need to be an implementation of Q2, Q1, Q0 bar, which signifies that once 110 state is reached, the Q2, Q1, Q0 bar will be 1, hence the reset signal will be applied to all the three flip-flops. Hence the correct option is B.